Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for Serpent X Tech, and we got ourselves another Iceriver miner here that we want to go ahead and set up, and I want to get you some measurements, some weights, some statistics and data on this thing. A huge shout out to Crypto Miner Bros who sponsored today's video. We'll talk more about that in just a moment, but let me know right now, go to the comments and tell me what algorithm you think this hash before I open and reveal what is in this box. Did you figure it out yet? It's kind of a competitor to the gold shell miners that are available, and you can see here we got our normal power port right here, C13, C14, on off switch, SD card, Ethernet. Doesn't come with Wi-Fi, and that is, what is that? Is that where the Wi-Fi would be? Right here? I can't pull that off for some reason, but I feel like that's where the Wi-Fi antenna would be. Oh, this baby's got some weight for sure. So let's see here. Did you figure it out? Did you guess correctly? The AL2 light. Let's go ahead and put it on the scale, let it calibrate real quick. We get two fans in the front. This is not 120 mil, but we'll figure out what size fans are in the front here. No fans in the back. We could see two main hash boards with black heat sinks on the inside. Very nice. And obviously they do have a warning on here because this thing gets hot like some of their other Iceriver monitors or miners, as the reason why we had to cool it down. So the AL2 light, a Alphium miner, a lithium miner, however you want to say it. And this guy is hefty. I can already tell you that much. Okay, 9 pounds. So if you don't have wide hands like myself to where you can grab that unit, make sure you grab it with two hands. And let's go ahead and get some measurements on what the fan sizes are and the overall size of this unit, which dimensions are online, but I'm just going to go ahead and give it to you in inches instead of millimeters. But a quick word from today's video sponsor.
Today's content has been brought to you by CryptoMinerBros.com, who's actually been in the industry for a hot minute, and they bring you all the latest offerings from your favorite ASIC manufacturers like Iceriver, Bitmain, Goldshell, WhatsMiner, and so much more. And even as they continue to expand, while they're headquartered in Hong Kong, they have distribution centers here in North America that can save you money on import duties. You can check out all the latest offerings in their shop. Link is in the description, and save some money with coupon code SerpentX on checkout. But give them a follow on social media, because if they are going to release any new products or there's any new announcements, they will let you know, and at competitive prices according to the industry. They also provide additional information and some pretty good insight on their blog page. So just check them out. Link is in the description, and a huge thanks for them supporting our channel.
And continuing on, the fans are about 90 millimeters. Might be a little bit, might be 92 millimeters to be honest, because that's just measuring the inside here, and I'm guessing the housing is a little bit wider than that, so I'm guessing 92 millimeters. If we tore this thing completely down, we might be able to get that exact measurement, but there you go. We could probably replace those with some better fans, but I think these will get the job done. And we're looking at the length here is about 8 inches. The width here is about 4.5, a little bit under 4.5, maybe 4.25. And then the height of this particular device, 7 3/4, or roughly thereabouts. It is got a nice little metal finish, and it is slippery, so it's not coated in anything. Could probably paint this a different color if you really wanted to make yours stand out. I don't think they offer it in various colors just yet, but it's a cool little device, very small. Let's put it next to the Apollo 2 real quick. There's your size reference right there. Not very big whatsoever. Doesn't take up a lot of space. Similar to your normal Iceriver miner, but thicker, right, or wider. And then comparing that to the 7900 XTX. There's your size difference. So definitely one that's perfect for the little at-home mining situation. So we might wind up putting it somewhere near the Jazz miner, or maybe near its brothers, the little brothers, the Iceriver KS0 Ultra and the RX0. But let's go ahead and get this thing set up and hashing, and we'll talk about performance and hash rate profits in some update videos. But overall, the unboxing Very simple. It's going to come with 2 foam pads to protect it, top and bottom. It's packaged really well, as most Iceriver products are, but you don't get any power cord or anything like that. Good news is the standard power port is pretty much something that every home should have. And then now it's just a matter of connecting Ethernet, power, connecting to it via IP and getting it hashing. But there's your weight, your size, your measurements, all that good stuff. Let me know what your thoughts are of this miner in the comment section down below. And that's going to do it for this video for now. We're just going to put everything else like the hash rate performance and profitability in a different video, and then bring you updates as we move forward, because as we know, these miners coming online, especially the big boys, the network difficulty and hash rate has climbed up, thus reducing profitability. So how long will these things stay profitable? Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments. But for now, hit that like button, get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date, and make sure to check out links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here, like to Crypto Miner Bros, who helped us get our hands on this, and a huge thanks to them for sending us this unit. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.